So the board is done. It's all wired in. It's pretty easy to wire in. It's 2 or 3 wires. Oh, here, I'll let you listen to it real quick. One more time, man, because it sounds so cool. Anybody wants one, let me know. I can wire them up so that they do pretty much, they'll play a sound for any event. Anything that you see a light go on, anything like that, I can make it so that it'll trigger any sound you want to put in there. So it doesn't have to be the Cougar. It can be your wife nagging while you're driving down the road, where I can wire it into any light on the dash. And basically, when your wife ain't with you, you can listen to her nagging while you're driving. Turn left, turn right. There's always something. They got something to complain about. Anyway, if anybody wants one, let me know. Thanks. Bye.